What we have here today is a real simple one. It is changing the air filter on a 2012 Ford Escape, and there's simply just two clamps on here. Just simply pop those off, pull this away, and we will take out the old filter. And simply put in our new one. The paper side goes towards the wheel. Okay, now that the element is in there, what we want to do is there are two tabs here that need to fit in those slots on the air box, and once those are in there, we'll go ahead and push it down and push it together and put those two snap clamps on there. That's all there is to it.